Hi there, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about your second floor bathroom and how to plumb it properly. Here we are in the downstairs of a house I'm working on, and we have our upstairs plumbing lines right through here. When you're working on the upstairs plumbing, you want to make sure that you get your access points. For like your P-traps, you want to put a panel there or an easy way to get into it in case you have to work on your plumbing lines. Also, you want to make sure you properly secure them so that way when you're walking around they're not vibrating and they don't break loose and cause a leak. Make sure you get the adequate amount of glue, and you can also see the cleaner around here. You want to make sure that you get very good connection when you put the two pipes together. You want to make sure you support every connection or union that you put in there. Another thing you want to do is make sure you insulate around these pipes. When somebody runs some water upstairs, it's going to create a lot of noise of water running through there. You don't want to disturb the downstairs with all that noise running through there. So I like to actually spread my insulation apart, put it on top, make sure you get it good on the sides and underneath. This will cut down on a lot of the noise that's running through your pipes up there. You also want to make sure you test your pipes before you seal everything up. That way you know if you have any leaks. I like to run that water for a few days to make sure that I don't have any leaks running through here. Flush that toilet a bunch, turn that shower on, run as much water as you can through those pipes. Make sure it's draining properly and you don't have any leaks. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching.